Ideal Travel Dreams, the channel to best organize your next adventure as a traveler and not as a tourist. In this video, we will tell you about the best adventures you can have on the island of Kefalonia and Ithaca. Welcome to a journey through paradise. Today, we're taking you to the breathtaking islands of Kefalonia and Ithaca, home to some of the most spectacular beaches in Greece. With their crystal clear waters, dramatic coastlines, and hidden coves, these islands are a haven for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. Whether you dream of golden sands, turquoise waters, or secluded hideaways, you'll find it all here. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the 10 most beautiful beaches in Kefalonia and Ithaca. Number 1. Myrtos Beach, the iconic beauty of Kefalonia. Our journey begins with the most famous beach in Kefalonia, Myrtos Beach. Imagine standing on a stretch of dazzling white pebbles, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs that plunge into the deep blue Ionian Sea. Myrtos is one of the most photographed beaches in Greece, and once you see it, you'll understand why. The water here is a mesmerizing shade of turquoise, changing color depending on the light. Whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or simply admiring the view from the cliffs above, Myrtos Beach is an absolute must-visit. Number 2. Antisamos Beach, a vibrant paradise. Next, we head to Antisamos Beach, a place where lush green hills meet the crystal-clear sea. This beach became famous after appearing in the movie Captain Corelli's Mandolin, and it's easy to see why. With soft white pebbles, vibrant blue waters, and a lively atmosphere, Antisamos is perfect for both relaxation and adventure. You can rent a sunbed, grab a cocktail from a beach bar, or even try paddleboarding and snorkeling in its pristine waters. Number 3. Petani Beach, Kefalonia's hidden gem. Located on the western coast of Kefalonia, Petani Beach is often compared to Myrtos, but with fewer crowds. The beach is framed by steep cliffs, and its mix of sand and pebbles creates a unique coastal experience. The sunsets here are breathtaking, casting golden light over the sea. If you're looking for a peaceful, picturesque escape, Petani Beach is the perfect spot. In the description, you can find all the information to rent a boat. Number 4. She Beach. The red sand Wonder She Beach is unlike any other in Kefalonia. Instead of white sand or pebbles, its shores are covered in striking red-orange sand. The contrast with the clear blue waters makes it one of the most unique beaches in Greece. The sand here is rich in minerals, making it a natural spa for your skin. With its shallow waters and soft sand, She Beach is ideal for families and anyone looking for a relaxing day by the sea. Number 5. Ferry Beach, Ithaca's secluded cove. Now let's hop over to Ithaca, the legendary home of Odysseus. Our first stop is Ferry Beach, a tranquil cove surrounded by lush olive trees. The waters here are calm and crystal clear, making it perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Ferry Beach feels like a hidden paradise, with little to no waves and a peaceful, untouched atmosphere. If you're looking for a spot to truly unwind, this is it. Number 6. Filiatro Beach, Ithaca's tropical paradise. Next, we visit Filiatro Beach, Ithaca's most popular beach, known for its tropical blue waters and soft white pebbles. This beach has a Caribbean-like feel, with sunbeds, beach bars, and plenty of space to relax. The water here is shallow and warm, making it a fantastic spot for swimming. Whether you're snorkeling along the rocks or simply enjoying the sun, Filiatro Beach is the definition of Greek island paradise. Number 7. Emblisi Beach, a snorkeler's dream. For those who love snorkeling and exploring underwater beauty, Emblisi Beach is a must-visit. This small pebble beach has incredibly clear waters, revealing colorful fish and sea life beneath the surface. The surrounding limestone rocks provide the perfect spots to relax and soak in the sun. If you're seeking a quiet, nature-filled escape, Emblisi Beach is a top choice. Number 8. Kaminia Beach, a loggerhead turtle haven. Back to Kefalonia, we find Kaminia Beach, a soft sand paradise famous for being a nesting ground for the endangered caretta turtles. This beach is long and peaceful, making it perfect for long walks by the shore. If you visit between May and August, you might even spot turtle hatchlings making their way to the sea. Kaminia Beach is a special place where nature and relaxation go hand in hand. You can find the link in the description to better organize your visit to Kefalonia and Ithaca at the most convenient prices. Number 9. Petani Beach. A tiny hidden treasure. Petani Beach is one of Kefalonia's smallest but most magical beaches. The name Petani means salt in Greek, referring to the small salt pools found in the surrounding rocks. This beach is quiet and secluded, with crystal clear waters and a natural, unspoiled setting. After a swim, you can enjoy fresh seafood at the nearby tavernas that overlook the Ionian Sea. Number 10. Petani Beach, Ithaca's tranquil getaway. Our final stop is Petani Beach, a serene and scenic retreat located in a protected bay in Ithaca. With calm, shallow waters, it's a great spot for families and those looking to escape the crowds. Petani Beach is surrounded by green hills and traditional Greek charm, making it a perfect place to relax and enjoy the true essence of the Ionian Islands. We are almost united at the end of our journey through the 10 most beautiful beaches of Kefalonia and Ithaca. Each of these beaches offers something special, from breathtaking cliffs and golden sands to hidden coves and crystal clear waters. From secluded coves to lively shores, Kefalonia and Ithaca offer a beach experience for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or simply looking to unwind, this island is a true paradise. Have you visited any of these stunning beaches? Or do you have a favorite spot in Kefalonia and Ithaca? Let us know in the comments below. To better organize your next adventure, you can find in the description all the necessary information, not only for excursions, but also for rental cars and motorcycles, accommodations, ferries, restaurants, flights, and much more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and share it with your friends. For you, it is a small gesture that costs nothing. But for us, it is very important to grow this channel and to create more and more useful content for the travel community. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.